Have you ever tried bitter leaf soup the Delta style? This is one of the most talked about soup and a lot of people don't know how to, but you don't have to be scared because I'll be showing you how to make it. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Bosse, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your bitter leaf soup the Delta style. Do not forget to subscribe, turn off post notifications so you don't miss out on any of the recipes that I'm about to share. These are all the ingredients you need. That is our cocoyam, our dried cocoyam, grated pepper, that's our grounded pepper, ogiri, bitter leaves, our seasoning cube, dried fish, and this is our boiled protein and our banga extract. If you want to know how to make your banga extract, the video is up on my YouTube channel. So in your pot, you're just going to add your banga extract to it, and then we're just going to cover it and allow it to boil between 5 to 7 minutes. After boiling, we're just going to stir a bit, and then add our dried fish. Mind you, this fish is already cleaned and properly washed. So we're just going to add it to it, and then add our grounded pepper to it according to your preference for your pepper. Then we're just going to mix and then make sure it's properly seated inside the pot. This is my daughter helping me with our seasoning cube. Next step is to add our meat. Mind you, our meat is already boiled, so we're just going to mix together again. Then add our ogiri to it. That's the ogiri I just added. Then cover it and allow it to boil for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is what we have. So I'm just going to stir a bit, and while doing that, I'm just going to add a little bit of water to my dried cocoyam because that's what I'm using as a thickener to our soup. And this is what we have. I just added a little water, mixed together, and then add it to our soup. So, and also add my bitter leaf. You just have to be generous with your bitter leaf because it's called bitter leaf soup. So I'm just going to stir a bit, make sure it's properly seated inside our pot. Then I'm just going to cover it and allow it to get cooked between 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. And after that, our soup is ready. Time for us to plate this. Do you want to guess the swallow I paired this with? I know you definitely know that. So this is what we have. This is so easy to make. This is so delicious. Like, there's nobody you're going to make this for and they're not going to love this. This is also a festive soup. It's not just your everyday or your regular soup. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to watch my other videos to learn how to make your easy and affordable recipe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.